Most of us may know that women's fertility is affected by age. Age is thus a major fertility factor for women. After puberty, women's fertility increases and then decreases, with advanced maternal age causing an increased risk of female infertility. Well, how about other variables? Let's find out. Here's a quick video. What are we going to research?
So here we have women fertility as dependent variable, unemployment rate as variable of interest, and 5 control variables, which are education by GPI, corruption by CPI score, happiness by happiness index, income by GDP per capita, and life expectancy. This research is supported by 6 literatures, 5 literatures for each control variables and 1 literature for variable of interest. All literatures that we have say that there has no correlation between all variables and women fertility. Is it right? In this research, we use cross-country dataset from 101 countries around the world. We use year 2018 data. The method that we use is OLS regression and log-log model. This is the equation result from first model to 16 model. It doesn't look clearly, so let me explain one by one. The coefficient of unemployment is negative, so it means that a 1% increase in unemployment is associated with a decrease of 0.15% in women fertility. It applies to other variables because the coefficient is still negative even when we interact unemployment and control variables. Both coefficients are negative. On 16 equation model, we find that corruption and happiness have a positive coefficient sign, so it means that they have a relationship with the woman fertility. A positive coefficient indicates that as the value of corruption or happiness increase, the mean of the woman fertility also tends to increase. If we look closely, we can see that R square of the 16 equation is better than other equation. It means that when we combine all variables together, it can affect the woman fertility 70% and the rest of it is affected by other variables. Here are the following plots. So we can see that each variables have negative correlation with woman fertility. From the result of all equation models show us that variable of interest, which is unemployment, and control variables have a negative correlation with woman fertility, which means that any increase in one of those variables will reduce the woman fertility. When we interact unemployment with any control variables, the results are still same. There is no effect and correlation, so we can conclude that unemployment has constantly negative significance on woman fertility. So based on this result, we agree the previous research and all literatures above. Countries with higher level of fertility are more likely to have policies to reduce fertility and vice versa. So this is what government should do. They should provide direct support for family planning such as government pronatalities policies. It is designed to increase birth rates, usually through financial incentives such as birth bonuses, child benefits, or tax credit.